Hey, paper crafting friends, thanks for tuning in today. It is time for our giveaway from the May 2021 Kiwi Club Collaboration videos. So I am going to go visit my video first. I'll put the link in. We'll see how many comments I had, and we'll get the winner from my channel. I appreciate you guys tuning in today to see who won. And of course, we always appreciate you taking the time to stop by our channels. So this time I had 30 comments. Let's see who comes up. April Campbell says, thanks for talking me through the sun and sunglasses. This layout is awesome. Thank you, April. That is really sweet. We definitely try. So sorry about that. Give me just a second. Got to clear off last month's people. This month, there were only 3 of us participating in the collaboration, which for you guys is actually a great thing. It means you have a better chance. If you took the time to comment, then the most people you'd have to compete with if you got chosen is 3 at the end. So, all righty, let's see how Jody's video did this month. Awesome, Jody had 24 comments. She has just been doing this collaboration with us for a couple of months, so that's fantastic. So the winner on Jody's channel is Gwen Jackson. Gwen, thank you for watching. It says, love your borders that you created, so adorable. Thanks for sharing. So let's get Jody into the wheel of names, or excuse me, let's get Gwen into the wheel of names. Nice job, Gwen. And then we're gonna go grab the address for Sandy's videos and get that one in here. Sandy, thanks for participating this month. I know there's a lot of people who really love to see what you're doing. You had 18 comments on your video this time. And let's see which one is the lucky comment. Laura Rurka. So this says, amazing mini book. It is absolutely perfect. Thank you for sharing all of your tips and tricks. Oh, that's sweet, Laura. We always love to hear what you guys think of what we're doing. And it's exciting to see. So, all right, here we go. So we've got April, Laura, and Gwen. Let's see which one gets to pick a set of templates this month. Here we go. Good luck, ladies. And our lucky winner is, oh, it's too close to call. Wait for it. Laura. All right, Laura, congratulations. I will be in touch to see what template set you would like. Jody is sponsoring that this month, so she will get that out to you. Thanks again, everybody, and we will see you all soon.